Good morning, how are you all? Student, in the previous video we have learned about the topic Pakistan currency. Then add the amount of money. We have learned about how to add the amount of money. Now we learn find the total cost of toys or any object. Today I will tell you what is the cost and what is the total cost of toys of any object. Cost. This toy price is 10 rupees. Football price is 7 rupees. It's a cost of toys. It's a add sign comprising the whole numbers of value specified. The sum of money is called the total cost. Specified sum of money is called the total cost. Firstly we write 10, then add sign and rupees 7. The bigger value write at the top and the small value lower. We will start sum from the unit side. This is the unit tens. 0 add 7, answer is 7. There is no value. 1 write as it is 1. Next, car price is rupees 17 and the block is rupees 2. Cost of car and block. Now we find the total cost. We write 17 and 2. 17 is bigger than 2. So we write 17 on the upper and the 2 in the lower. We will start from the unit side. 7 add 2. It becomes 9. There is no value. 1 write as it is. Cost of this toy. This is a telephone set and this is a train. Rupees 10 and rupees 12. We write rupees 12 and 10. 12 is bigger than 10. Unit side 2 add 0 is equal to add 1 and 1 is equal to 22 rupees. Amount rupees is 7 and cycle price is 5. We find the total cost of both toys. We write bigger value on the top. 7 add 5 is equal 12. So students, open your from your resource pack page number 52 and with the help of the video please solve it. Okay, goodbye.